Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be staining this shelf I'm sitting in. That's the scaffolding plank we put to create shelves for the office. I'll be using this standard sold pretty much everywhere wood stain, and I'll be using a brush to do it. I also will be using salt and apple cider vinegar to use on the metal corners, and that is to just take the shine away. I would like to rust them, but that is a process. You have to do a process like 5 times to reach that point, and Mr. B's home today and he really wants to put the shelves up, so I'm a bit under pressure. So, the coat is done of the stain. I've been using this. This is just a mix of salt and apple cider vinegar. And the idea is for me to put on the brackets. If I show you.
Okay.